background of our company. So Camellia for almost 4 decades has enhanced and strengthened the very fabric of Filipino life with its distinctive residential community developments. Camellia was first to introduce the groundbreaking master community concept that became the template for other aspiring developers but never survived. Today, every Camellia development has expanded from its pioneering legacy of quality, reflective of its tradition to build on its experience in servicing every market segment, taking into account the needs of the modern and increasingly progressive Filipino family. Davao, and particularly in Metro Manila. So for the first model house, here is Carmela. It measures 64 square meters floor area, 88 square meter lot area, a 2-story house with 3 bedrooms, the first one, second one, and the third one. 2 toilet and bath, living room, dining area or kitchen, provision for carport, and the balcony. So the second one, the Drina. It measures 81 square meter floor area, 99 square meter lot area, also a 2-story house with 3 bedrooms, and take note there's 1 maid room. 3 toilet bath, living room, dining area or kitchen, provision for carport and balcony. So the third one is the Rina. It only measures 40 square meter floor area, 54 square meter lot area, a 2-story house, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, living room, and dining area. The last one is the Margarita. It measures 46 square meter floor area, 44 square meter lot area, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, with kitchen, living area, and dining area. So, does anybody has any clarifications?
None.
So, I think this ends up my presentation. So, why do you need to rent if you can own beautiful houses in Camellia? So, for more information